Welcome to Okuma. We're a leading global manufacturer of CNC machine tools, and we have a clear-cut mission. We passionately pursue a customer for life. A mission is only as good as those who are committed to it. At Okuma, we're fortunate to have a dynamic and engaged workforce that enjoys collaborating with each other, participating in learning and development opportunities, and using creativity to spark innovation. We also offer apprenticeships, awesome benefits, and are committed to serving our community. Our American headquarters is located in Charlotte, North Carolina, a vibrant, growing city that has much to offer, from landmark restaurants to arts, culture, live music, and sporting events. While all of these things help us attract and retain the most talented employees in our industry, what makes our company special is our culture, which is defined by our values. Luckily for us, our team embraces these values on a daily basis.
I enjoy working at Okuma because of the culture. When I think about Okuma, I think about a company who has developed a mission, a vision, and a set of values that honestly they not only preach, but everybody within our company embodies those values.
Leading with a servant heart is one of our values, and at Okuma it starts with being authentic in every interaction. Whether it's with a customer, a colleague, or our community, our team makes it a priority to value everyone's contributions, which in turn creates an environment for success. Because when you genuinely care for others, only good things happen.
It's really a great place to work because the people are just really solid people. They help you learn new things and they show a lot of integrity. I'm proud to be part of this group.
We're passionate about manufacturing, and we value the partnerships we share with our colleagues, partners, and customers. We're a family. We make it a priority to work together because meaningful relationships are vital for success in business. Our mission is to passionately pursue a customer for life, and at times we may need a helping hand along the journey. So we ask for help when we need it and freely give it as well.
What makes Okuma a great company to work for is because they care about the people. They care about their product. They care about the quality.
Everybody gets along, everybody knows everybody, including old-timers and young employees as well.
Our team is serious about achieving goals, but we also know how to make it fun. We have a contagious energy that is seen, felt, and encouraged throughout our headquarters and in our partnerships. When you join Okuma, you become part of our family, our team. We inspire each other daily. Our company culture and passion for our team members, customers, products, and partners encourages personal integrity, innovative thinking, creativity, and open communication. We take pride in knowing what we do every day ultimately creates a positive impact on our world.
I enjoy working at Okuma because of the people, the environment, everything is just so refreshing.
If you want to work with professionals who inspire, encourage, mentor, and make a difference while also having fun, come join our team.